Sliding windows are most commonly found in places where maximum ventilation is required. Given that they are very easy to open and close, these windows are often placed in places where it can be harder to reach. Sliding windows are best suited for opening that are wider than they are tall, as they include multiple sashes that slide over each other. While casement windows are more often used for tall, narrow openings as they are attached by their sides and can be opened by swinging them inside or outside. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. In this video I am going to show you modern sliding window design ideas. To keep the window from sliding, drive a screw horizontally through the track. Several companies make locks for sliding windows. For this lock, a stop slips over the window tray. Turn the lever on the way to lock the windows and turn it the other way to allow it to slide. Because of their streamlined design and oversized glass panels, sliding windows have several advantages over other type of replacement windows. Sliding windows typically glide on a roller, so they open and close easily, often with just the push of a finger. Most sliding windows feature panels that lift out completely, making them easy to clean. Sliding windows typically have oversized glass panels that let in a plenty of natural light and offer homeowners wide, unobstructed views. They provide plenty of ventilation because of their streamlined design. Most sliders open fully to let in fresh air. On some styles, panels can be opened simultaneously to promote better ventilation. Gliders can make smaller home more spacious by creating an unobstructed views of the outdoor. Because sliding windows are often lower and wider than traditional window design, they are ideal for rooms with low ceilings. The open fully sliding windows are a great choice for low ventilation spaces, such as condos that only have front and rear windows. Many sliding windows, especially those that feature 3 or 4 panels, have a wider design that brings balances and elegance to large space.